Okay.
Hi,
We're back, and it's been like 10 seconds. We're going to the mailbox.
Oh, there's no mail. Who got the mail? Come in. Oh, it's so warm outside.
Oh dang, am I zooming out?
Fan.
Oh, the pig?
Oh! So there's this one video of you know, where you're trying to go in my room. So it's this dark shadow, and you're trying to open the door, and all of a sudden you hear this sound come out, and you fly across the floor. And then there's this other really funny part where you're on the ground, and you're like, ah, and then you get up and you run, and you're like, ah. I want to see those videos. Oh, it's great.
It's because he steps on the block. Ellie! You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Jake! Hey, buddy! Oh, he's sad again. Oh, he's happy. He's all happy. Okay. Ah! Okay.
Ah. You're really bad at throwing.
Why do you have gloves on? Because I'm on sweat and it's dirty. Fail. You never make it. Yeah, we got
And he's been playing basketball for like lots of months. Oh. Okay.
Wanna play pig? When?
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
A little bit.
There's a spoon on the bottom. Why did you tell me that? Don't touch my butt.
Look out!
No. Just wait 1 second.
No, Ellie, that's not Get me! Ellie, you're eating it all!
No, I'm not even sucking it out.
Oops, I almost fell down. Wait, what just happened? What?
I have curl hair on it. Are my lips blue?
No.
Aww. Okay. Act out something right now, right here.